At the sixth edition of IKC, I have with me Mr. Nitin Vaze, Chief Executive of Sleek Boards. Mr. Nitin, you spoke about uh, understanding panel materials. What is your take or assessment about this particular field? What is the understanding that you found among the among the channel partners and all the stakeholders in the modular kitchen industry?
The knowledge on the panel products per se is very low. We always think the options which are available in the market on face value, all particle boards and MDF from the outside look the same, but we often overlook what is required for our own end-use application. A product which can be used for a wardrobe in a bedroom need not be or should not be used the same panel material for making a kitchen carcass, for example. You need a specific different type of raw materials for the kitchen use or usage in a high humidity areas. So this basic knowledges have to improve in India.
Highlighted a very pertinent point, the humidity issue. But more often, perhaps I mean to say, the Indian, kitchen manufacturers ape the European style and other textures. Are our modular kitchens equipped to serve our climatic conditions? Considering that we don't have one climatic condition, the north, south, west, east, central, they have different climatic conditions, different variations. So, what would be the right approach if we are to proliferate modular kitchen in India?
The Indian climate is not so bad. We can easily adopt all the modular kitchens from north to south, east to west using the engineered panels without any problem. The global experiences are that globally more than 80-85% of all kitchen materials are manufactured from the engineered panels, whether those are in Middle East or in the temperate zones like Canada or in Europe and so on and so forth. India is just a singular entity which has got different varied climates. If things can work in such extremes, things will also work in India without any problem.
My final question, you know that we have climate change upon us. So going forward, what kind of materials, what kind of sustainable materials should we adopt for modular kitchen?
It is very important that we conserve whatever plantation base that we have. India has a pathetic story on plantation timbers. Going forward, we have to dwell on suppliers who have sustainable practices on resourcing their materials. At least they should be PEFC or FSC certified suppliers of the panel boards so that we are assured that we are not going to be off the track on any supplies in future.
Mr. Vaze, thanks for sparing your time and talking to us. Thank you so much.